You can see in this document that in last quarter of 2022, more than 15,000 people got approved Lmi job offer. Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Can Visa Pathway. In this video, we will discuss how you can find employers who can help you to get Lmi job offer. I am sure that you have seen many YouTube videos which provide you information about Lmi. These videos claim that you can find Lmi job offer and you can work inside Canada, or you can move to Canada based on Lmi job offer, which will help you to get work permit. Many consultants or YouTube videos claim that you can get Lmi. But no one gives you information about companies which provide Lmi job offer and what is the procedure. How much does it cost to get Lmi? In today's video, we will discuss in detail which employers has issued Lmi job offer in past, so that you can reach these employers in case you need Lmi job offer. We will also discuss how many people got Lmi job offer in last 1 year or quarter of 2022. We will also discuss which category Lmi does belongs to. So we will discuss all above topics in detail and with proof as well. Before we start this video, if you are coming to our channel for the very first time, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel to get most up-to-date news, tips and tricks about Canadian immigration. We try to make people self-dependent. Before we proceed, we need to understand what does mean by LMI, Labor Market Impact Assessment. A labor market impact assessment is a document that an employer in Canada may need to get before hiring a foreign worker. A positive LMI will show that there is a need of foreign worker to fill the job. It will also show that no Canadian worker or permanent resident is available to do this job. A positive LMI is sometimes called a confirmation letter as well. LMI is applied by a Canadian employer who is willing to hire a foreign worker to fill up a job inside Canada because employer is not able to find a Canadian worker or permanent resident or a citizen of Canada for this job. As employer is not able to find worker for particular job, so employer has a job available, but no one is available for this job, especially inside Canada, Canadian worker, permanent resident or citizen. So employer look for foreign national to fill up this position. So employer will go to ESDC, Employment and Social Development Canada, or you can also say Service Canada, that he is not able to find Canadian worker or permanent resident or citizen of Canada for this job. This application cost for LMI application is $1,000. This application cost is normally paid by the employer. If all good, ESDC issues a positive LMI to employer that he can hire any foreign national for this job. Based on positive LMI, you can get work permit. Now, as we know that, how does employer get LMI? But most of foreign workers and workers inside Canada as well do not know that which companies or employers do provide LMIs and which NOC codes are invited. So let's discuss with proof which companies do provide LMIs and how many people got LMI job offer in previous years. Open your Google browser and search here LMI employer list and click on very first link. So here you can see that temporary foreign worker program, positive labor market impact assessment, employers list. Scroll it down. You can find here all LMI's letters issued from 2014 to 2022 here. In short, you can find all records of previous years. I will click here on most recent list which was released in fourth quarter of 2022. This list is in English. You can find here same list in French as well. I will leave a link in description so that you can have access to it. Let's open this Excel file. Here you can see that employees who were issued a positive LMI market impact assessment LMI by program stream National Occupation Classification, which is also called NOC 2011, and business location from October to December 2022, which is fourth quarter of 2022. Here you can see that LMI approved. The total number of candidates who got LMI job offer is more than 15,000 for fourth quarter of 2022. You can find information about province which issued LMI, program stream, whether it's high-wage program or low-wage program, etc. Who is the employer and address of the employer. Here I want to mention that this address is not complete address. To find exact address and contact information of the employer, you can simply Google employer's name and find more information about the employer. The next is occupation. You can find information about NOC code invitation. You can see here NOC codes, for example 7204, 7251, etc. In corporate status, it is unknown, which means that what type of company is it, whether it is proprietorship or corporation, etc. Let's say you want to find information about employers who issued LMIs in Ontario. You can find information by looking manually or by applying filters. To make it easier, select this column, then click on Data tab and then click on Filter. Now click on Province drop-down menu. So we need to untick Select All, then search here Ontario and click on OK. So here you can find information for all employers who provided approved LMI in Ontario. You can find program, employer's name, address, occupation, and number of LMIs approved in fourth quarter of 2022. Again, you can use different filter to find information about other provinces inside Canada. So friends, you can find information about employers who provides LMI in Canada if you want to get LMI job offers. And as we have addresses of employers from this list, then simply Google this address with the company name. Then from there you can find contact information of the employer and you can call them or you can send your resume to the employers under career section on their website. Here I want to make it very clear that it is very hard to find genuine employers who will provide you LMIs without charging any amount. Most of times, businesses, employers, immigration consultants who provides you LMIs will charge you a lot of money. But once you have LMI job letter, you can apply for work permit. In the end of the video, if you want to find LMIs in different categories inside Canada, then these are the categories you can look for LMIs. If you are looking for labor jobs, then you can look in food industries like restaurant, trucking industry, construction jobs, carpenter jobs, plumbers, security guards, painters, pizza makers, agricultural jobs, farming jobs, cleaning jobs, etc. You can also look for skilled worker jobs, for example, IT jobs, software engineer, mechanical engineer, accounting jobs, administrative jobs, etc. I hope you guys find my videos very useful. I always try to bring videos which could help you and help you learn and be independent. If you like our video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, Can Visa Pathway. Thank you very much.